In this video, we're going to show you how to restrict a one search to Google Scholar. As you can see, here is the one search bar, and if I click on Google Scholar, find it at SJSU will pop up. I will have my go-to subject in the title and click enter. And it will then pop up Google Scholar with different resources. As you can see, sometimes it has HTML, google.com. Here we have find it at SJSU. And if I click on that, it will link it back to the King Library and will ask you to sign in for more options. And that way you can navigate to whatever resource that you want to that is available through the college library system.